Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the FL Studio Mobile. So I'm not going to talk about the plugin, but I'm actually going to tell you about the FL Studio Mobile app, the Android app. So it is even available in iOS. So overall, it is a good app. I'm just going to tell you what are my raw opinions. Should you get it? Should you not get it? So let's get started with the video, guys. So let me tell you about what was the case with me. So actually, I was just starting to make music. Actually, I was just thinking of creating some random music because I'm just randomly interested in creating music. So it was my icha. Actually, in icha means it was my wish. It was my wish to create some music just like that. So then there were two options. So there was FL Studio PC, FL Studio Mobile. So I'm going to tell you why I purchased it in the first place, FL Studio Mobile. I'll tell you about its limitations so you get an idea whether you yourself should purchase it or not. So as you know, FL Studio is used to create music. So FL Studio Mobile and FL Studio PC, there are two main versions. So the thing is that I was just starting out. I was not even sure that whether I want to do music, like just wanted to have some fun. So I ended up purchasing FL Studio Mobile because it is not that expensive as the PC version. That is the only reason that I went for the mobile version. One more reason is that it is like somewhat a portable app where you can just create music on the go. So that is another benefit of it. There was some limitations while using the FL Studio mobile app. I found it a bit confusing in the start. Actually, I'm not from any music background, but I personally just enjoy listening to music. So I thought, why not create some music? I am a website developer. I thought I can create websites. Why not try creating music? So I ended up using FL Studio Mobile for quite some time. I've created about like 10, 20 projects, 10 to 15 projects actually. So the thing is that I noticed after using it for quite some time, there were some things, as in I noticed that there are quite a few synthesizers. So there are like only four or five or about five synthesizers. There are no external synthesizers you can add inside it. So the sounds that you get from the FL Studio Mobile are quite limited. Also, I'm not so great in music in creating music, but what I noticed personally is the audio quality in terms of the byte rate is not like as good as the PC version. It is fine, it gets a job done, but it was not as good. As in, like my friends did not really enjoy listening to the music I created from FL Studio Mobile. Is it because it was too distorted or something? Maybe I was finding the sound a bit muffled up in some cases. So maybe I didn't create the music properly, but there were some few cases that the music was sounding a bit slightly muffled. It was not that noticeable, but I found it. So there are very few choices of synthesizers and very few presets. So this is quite an important when you're just starting out, because you don't know how to create music. I, as a personally as a user, I would like to have a lot of presets, countless of presets. um, so what I personally found is that when I use any synthesizer, I found like quite a few presets. So there is not that much of a variety of sounds that can be produced from the mobile version, and when compared to the PC version, there are the basic saws and all that, but you cannot create your own sounds. Like there is no sound design and all that. I know those things have to be learned, but this is just like you can just enter in your MIDI and you can select some basic preset. You can't there are some limitations in the FL Studio mobile app. So personally I found there was some limitations in terms of there were limited default presets, there were limited synthesizers. I don't know, I found it less. So in the PC version you can go for Nexus, there is silent plugin, and can create a variety of sounds, and that too high quality sounds where it sounds pleasing to the user. So there were like some instruments in the mobile version of this FL Studio Mobile where it said flute. So I mean, obviously, flute, like you would expect some sound like a flute. But anyways, in this flute version, I mean, in the FL Studio Mobile, I didn't find the sound like up to the mark. I didn't even find it like sounding like a flute. Like there were like some occasions that way. So, in case you are a FL Studio mobile user, you can mention your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think it is suitable for music production as like I mean, for a commercial basis, on a commercial basis? Do let us know in the comment section. Like there are a lot of people who want to hear all this. I personally, I don't create music for earning money or anything, but I just thought I'll learn something new. That's the reason I went for the FL Studio Mobile. There are certain things that there are automations, but it still needs improvement. Some places where it can improve is can have more presets, so it is more easier for users like us, like beginners, to easily select. There were some times I literally created good tracks, but just because the synthesizer was not that good, I showed it to some of my friends, and they were like, some sounds are quite irritating, and I don't know. That was the feedback which I got. You can guess for yourself. So if you want, I will list all the projects that I created using FL Studio Mobile. You can be the judge. You can be the judge, and you can tell me what you think about it. So I tried my best to explain to you about my opinions. So later on, I got the FL Studio PC version, though it was too expensive. It was like about too expensive for the place where I'm living, the standard of living. It is like $350 nearly. Is like quite expensive for me. I don't even earn that much from creating music. I don't earn at all like from creating music. But anyways, I wanted to support the FL Studio team, the software development team. That's the reason I purchased this software. So that is it. I think the PC version has better quality in terms of the sound sharpness. Surely the PC version has better sound quality. So these were my raw opinions. This is not a scripted video, as you can see. I'm not like looking anywhere and talking. I'm just giving you my thoughts. Um, I myself have to learn more about music. I am not so good at it, but I tried my best. Like in case anyone is starting out, maybe this information could be useful for them. So this is all for the video, guys. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. If you're watching here, do give it a thumbs up. I know you liked the video. It was surely helpful to you. Do give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends in case anyone is looking to buy FL Studio Mobile over the PC version. Maybe it might be helpful for them. So that's all for this video. Take care. Enjoy your day ahead. Bye, guys. Take care. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I keep giving tech news and many more informative content. Many. Sorry for the wrong English. So, anyways, take care. Bye.